Candidate attrition is a really frustrating problem for anyone who uses pre-employment testing. Obviously, you don't want to lose your candidates, and often this is a really big barrier for organizations adopting this for the first time. They're just concerned that no one will complete the assessments. They think, well, would I complete the assessment? Would I spend several hours completing reams and reams of assessments on mine? Or will I just take the path of least resistance and go to organizations that shoehorn you into an organization? Now, it's a valid concern for sure, but it's very dependent on the provider and the assessments that they offer. Okay, there are a number of levers that you can pull to ensure that people aren't going to drop out in droves. For example, there have been a number of advances in psychometrics over the recent years and decades, trying to minimize test anxiety, trying to shorten the assessment process, spending ages doing assessments, and combining assessments in formats which are more fun, more interesting, more engaging. You should have a provider that is able to advise on these and that has designed assessments in line with these modern best practices. Because often organizations don't. Often providers using the same assessments that they've sold basically forever that have not taken into account any of the recent advances in psychometrics, giving everyone the same questions, not giving any thought to how could we improve the candidate experience. Okay, at Test Partnership, we are doing our very best, and we are using the most advanced psychometric research available to us to do this exactly, to shorten the testing experience so it's not too onerous, to smooth over the candidate experience, particularly with ability tests, to ensure that they're not too difficult, not too hard, not too easy that they're boring, right in that flow spot for every candidate using computer adapted testing. And the same thing with our other assessments, shortening personality questionnaires to keep them nice and concise, making sure everything is as contextualized as possible so that the topics of the questions are interesting and engaging. These are considerations that organizations in the psychometric testing space are often just not concerned about or lack the expertise to optimize. Okay? Instead, you should definitely be looking to providers who can pull these levers, who can ensure that you retain as much of your applicant pool as possible, help you keep those good quality candidates.